The next topic we will cover is the SMS dashboard. Here, we can view and send SMS messages to our patient's cell phone. It's a safe and secure way to contact and reach out to your patients. Once we click the SMS dashboard, we'll be presented with this area here. Now, the default search setting is unread. So if you were associated with many clinics, you would see the clinic name listed here with a green dot next to it. That would indicate that there is an unread message from that clinic. If we would like to see all messages regardless of read or unread, we would click all, and then we could see a list of all of the clinics in which there are messages to or from. In this example, we are only associated with one clinic, the testing demo clinic, so choosing all displays that clinic. We will now click this clinic to look at individual messages, SMS messages from those patients. So again, like with the previous dashboard, unread is the default setting. If we would like to see all messages, we will click all. Now we have a list of all the patients who have either received or sent an SMS message to their practitioner or care manager. If we click on the name, we can see the history of those messages here. If we'd like to send a message to a patient, we simply click in the type message area, then type our message and click send, just like a normal SMS app from your phone. We can search a particular patient by entering their name in the search and clicking the search button. So we have Dylan here now. And we can send a message. So as you can see, this is a quick, efficient, and secure way to send messages to your patients.